Alright, welcome back to another video, YouTube. I'm back with SP. The last time he was in the video, we were talking about that Green Bay blanket that he got for Christmas.
Trash.
So what'd you end up doing with it?
I ain't burned it yet, but I will. It's in the closet.
It's in the closet. So you decided to keep it?
Until I burn it, yeah.
Or use it for the next NFL season that's coming up.
What I'm gonna do with that?
Hey man, if you're keeping it for a reason, right? Either way, we got us another exhaust comparison, and this time around we got two Hemis, the Hemi in this Ram 1500 and the Hemi in this Challenger RT. Now before we get into this comparison, we're gonna go ahead and talk about what happened in the last comparison when on camera.
Won that battle.
Well, that's what they say, but
It better. It sound better.
So let's go ahead and start with what you originally said before you got on camera.
I remember.
Before he got on camera, his opinion was he was gonna give all credit. Actually, before he got on camera, his idea was his car sounded better. On camera, he said mine sounded better, and after all the comments, turns out they actually like the sound of that busted Buick.
With me, man. They like the car, granddaddy.
Yeah,
it's a classic, man.
Yeah. Well, either way, because he forfeited the battle, that's where my car stands to take another round and go up against his
How forfeit?
You forfeited. If you said mine sound better, I mean, you gave it up.
Alright, we'll go.
And this leads us to this current battle right here. So let's go ahead and get your opinion. Which one sounds better?
Yours sound more aggressive than mine.
So this is the second time on camera he's giving my car credit over his.
They do. It's a reason.
What's the reason?
I mean, I don't really know cars like how you know cars, but I mean, it's smaller. Don't it pack more power than the truck?
I mean, you have more horsepower. You just weigh a lot more, or at least more. Either way, I don't know how much that has to do with the sound of the exhaust. So the official word is, before we go ahead and get it going, mine sounds better once again.
Yours sound more throaty, yeah. Yeah.
Throaty?
Throaty. It's just like it's a deeper sound. I feel like it's deeper than the truck.
But granddaddy, the Buick that won,
right,
according to the crowd.
Right.
How did that sound?
That was just a clean. It was smooth. Granddaddy was smooth.
Okay. All right. Well, let's go ahead and get the start up on this Ram. See how it sounds. That's the initial startup, and it has been running, so it's not a cold start.
See, and I feel like that's smooth. That's smooth too. That's a smooth sound.
So on the initial startup, after it's been running, which one starts up and sounds more aggressive?
The car.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and give it some gas. That works.
I don't know if you know how to cheat neither. Which one you go with?
I'm going with your truck.
For what?
It sounds more aggressive and it sounds louder.
That's a bet. Go ahead and do your thing. I can't wait to see what the people say.
All right, D, we're gonna do it. Just start it up and don't hit the gas yet. Let them know. Right. Both of them been running, so neither one of them is a cold start. All right, let's give it some gas.
That ain't deeper?
Let's give it one more round. still feel like the truck, personally, I'm going with the truck still. So, I mean, we can leave this one running. We can get this one back running and rev them up side by side. Go ahead and give it a round. Definitely leaning with the truck. One more, DJ, let's go one more round.
You serious?
Hey, well, you know what?
Hey, yeah.
Go again, nice and slow.
It's more aggressive, man.
One more time.
You could feel that. Maybe because I'm back here, I went back here for the truck, but you could feel that.
All right, yeah, well, take the camera and I'll do it for you.
All right, now come do that in your car. You ain't finna, nah. Ain't no way, you're not about to play me. God, do what you just did right here in your car. Go ahead and step out here for the people, nephew. Your pops finna get in here and do that. Don't cheat neither. These people know cars, so you ain't finna get around this. So what's up to the people? Right. Case closed to me. Y'all let me know in the comments. That's case closed, brother.
Case closed.
Case closed. That's more aggressive right there. I was playing on the pedal. You really gave it something.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. And once again, he's giving my car all the credit, so leave it in the comment section and let him know if he should be claiming his own vehicle as the ones that should be winning these battles.
Hold on. We're not gonna make it sound like I don't show my own car some love.
You didn't.
We just gotta know the superior sound. That's all.
Okay.
That's it.
So, according to SP, this is the one with the superior sound. We rolling with the car, the RT. If you agree, go ahead and leave those comments and agree with him. If not, let him know once again his vehicle is the one that's gonna reign as the champion. And tell him to give his own vehicle the title so we can bring something else in for me and see if I can compete for once with what he has. But either way, that's it for this video. Holla! Catch you in the next one.
Serious?
Well, look at it. You said your Buick sounded better. I mean, no, you said this sounded better than the Buick.
Right.
Which had a busted ass muffler.
Right.
And they agreed that a busted muffler with a V6 sounded better than an actual muscle car with a V8. So for me, I think that what you may be missing is there could be something in your head that you're just not giving it credit.
Trust me, there's no way. Either that or they don't know what the hell they talking about. That's what I'm going with. Because there ain't nowhere in the world. The Granddaddy sound better than that, for real?
How many votes did I get versus how many votes did you
Right.
get? Like if we go through the comments and count, and I might go home and go count the comments and put that in the description, so when they know why you talking crazy or why I think you talking crazy, like they're gonna see fucking probably 30 for Buick and 2 for the Challenger. That's insane.